The significance and symbolization of the outer complete of the word candle symbolizes light in the darkness of the infinite light. It is an illumination of the spirit of truth which Christ represents light in our life. Departed God's saints. We offer these departed souls to you, an eternal rest and shine unto them. Flowers, used by religious as spiritual symbols, it received Christianity and God's creations to express and share with the people who find goodness, truth, and beauty. Fruits, like human life, symbolizes fertility, vitality, youth, and abundance. It is characterizing the inimitable vitality of presence in the world. Bread symbolizes the Word of God, which nourished the crowds when Jesus multiplied the bread to feed the crowd. This became a sign of sharing. Wine symbolize divine grace and transformation or processes of renewal and growth. Gifts and goodies symbolizes the affection and appreciation we have for one another. Bread and wine represent Jesus' body and blood. The unleavened bread symbolizes the perfect
Linya na mo
humanity
lang.
of Christ. The wine symbolizes the blood of no covenant that was ratified on the cross.
We ask for your mercy as we open our hearts to receive your forgiveness, all these years we offer for glory.